In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a PayPal account with BCA without using a credit card. This process is quick and straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step to make sure you succeed. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head on over to paypal.com. Once there, look around and find the sign up button. You'll usually see it at the top right corner of the home page. Click on it and you'll be taken to a page where you can choose the type of account you'd like to create. Here you have two options, a personal account or a business account. Consider what you need the account for and make your choice. Next, you'll need to fill out some personal information, enter your email address, and then follow it with your first name and last name. You'll also be asked for your address and phone number, so have that information handy as well. After inputting your details, create a secure password, something that's easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess. Once you've filled everything out, move on to the email confirmation. Soon after, PayPal will send you a confirmation email. Keep an eye on your inbox. If it doesn't show up right away, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. Once you receive it, click on the verification link provided in the email. This step is crucial for confirming your address and officially setting up your account. With your email verified, dive into your PayPal account and navigate over to the wallet section. This is where you'll manage your funds and link your bank account. Look for the banks and cards section and then click on link bank. Now you're ready to link your BCA account. Follow the prompts to enter the necessary details. You'll need your BCA account number and possibly the routing number. It's also a good idea to ensure that the name you use with PayPal matches the name on your BCA account. After entering these details and linking your account, PayPal will often initiate a tiny transaction to verify your bank account. To complete this verification, log into your BCA account and check for the transaction. Once you spot it, note the amount and return to the PayPal website. Finally, input the transaction amount that appeared in your BCA account into the PayPal site to confirm the link. And there you have it, your PayPal account is now set up and linked with BCA without using a credit card. You're ready to start using PayPal for your online needs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips.